Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to make a simple and delicious Paneer Tikka Kadhai at home. Spicy Paneer Tikkas are cooked with vibrantly colored bell peppers and mixed in with spicy and aromatic gravy. Let's get started. For marinating the paneer, cut them into bite-sized cubes. Add in garlic paste, ginger paste, some yogurt, cumin powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala, chaat masala, crush in some kasuri methi, and add smoked mustard oil for the kick. Mix everything well, ensuring all the paneer pieces are coated with the marinade. Marinate it for 5 minutes. Heat some mustard oil in a kadhai or a tawa. Once the oil is hot and starts to smoke, add the marinated paneer and fry them in batches. Fry each side of the paneer for 30 seconds before flipping them over. Once all sides are golden brown, remove them and do the same with rest of the paneer. Our paneer tikka is ready now. Let us make the kadhai gravy. Temper the remaining oil with dried red chili and some fennel seeds in the kadhai. Add paste of 2 onions and saute until they turn golden brown. Then add ginger paste, garlic paste and fry till the raw smell goes away. Add puree of 1 tomato, fry for 2 minutes and let the flavors mingle. It's time to add the spices. Sprinkle in coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder. These spices will infuse the gravy with rich and aromatic taste. Take the remaining paneer marinade and add some water and infuse it into the gravy. Keep stirring continuously to blend the yogurt in the marinade into the gravy. Sprinkle in splashes of water while cooking the masalas so that they do not burn. Once you see the oil separate, the gravy is ready. Add chopped coriander stems to add some extra punch to the flavor. Now it's time to add the quartered and separated onions and bell peppers to the kadhai. Stir fry everything for a couple of minutes until the veggies are slightly tender but still retain their crunchiness. For some heat, add in chopped green chilies and add salt as per your preference. Gently add in our star ingredients, the paneer tikkas, and coat it with the gravy. To enhance the flavors, add kasuri methi, also known as dried fenugreek leaves, freshly chopped coriander leaves, and some garam masala. Give it a quick stir on low heat, allowing all the ingredients to blend beautifully. The vibrant colors and aromatic flavors of Paneer Tikka Kadhai are now ready to be enjoyed, garnished with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Thanks for watching this easy and delicious Paneer Tikka Kadhai recipe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!